Good morning, class 7. How are you guys doing? I guess you all are doing great, fine, good, and happy. So, taking care of yourselves, eating properly, sleeping, playing, exercise, studying, being with parents, respecting them, and enjoying life. So, everything has to be done in the right proportion, the right place, right time, right way. So, life goes on like that. There are times when people do have to adjust to the present, and we have to move forward. So that's what life all about, not only question answers. Sad, isn't it? I come to class 7 and I just remember that my just it's like a nightmare. I just can't stop thinking unless and until I meet you guys. And the day you change and you start not asking me about question answers and you go into the direct information. Sometimes when I give you big answers, you say, "Oh my God, such a big answer! How will we write? We are not supposed to write such a big answer." Answers are in the head. What is your name? My name is Ronan. How did it come out? I like my name. I've heard my name. I've heard my mom calling me. I've heard my dad calling me. I've heard people calling me. So it's there in my head. So if I learn an answer, if I keep on thinking about that answer, if I learn that actual subject or that actual story or that actual poem or rather a passage or a line and a meaning, even a meaning if I learn, I'll be able to put it inside my head. And if it's not going into your head, that means your chip, your master loading chip or your extra SD card which is there in your head, it's not working properly. You have to reset it. You have to format it. You format your mobile, you format a computer, you format the hard disk. So you have to format your hard disk. It means you have to blend yourself, you have to train your brain to study, to understand, to learn, to have that power to take in. How does that happen? That happens by seriousness, focusing, thinking about that, reading, understanding, keeping your brain away from other things. You have to settle down, you have to calm down. You cannot have all things together at one time. You cannot have puchka, you cannot have chaat, and you cannot have noodles together, right? That's the issue. That happens when that happens in the brain, it jabbers up. Nothing can be done properly. It goes in like a mixie, it spins around. Finished. Everything together mixed up. Now what? Juice, milkshake, mango shake. Sometimes if you have mango shake, you might get acidity. If the mango is sour and the milk is not in the right proportion put in, so there's going to be something wrong is going to happen. But if you eat a mango in the morning and have milk in the afternoon or in the night or drink milk in the morning, so that's better. Right? Ronan sir is always telling and always trying to give us too much of brains. Okay, fine. So we'll come back to As One Great Furnace Flamed, your course book, the story which we were reading about Elsa, right? Who's a very chirpy girl. I've given you all the information, I've given you all the characters in the last class, I've explained everything. This time I'll just read and we will finish understanding what actually happened. So basically, what happened was what happened? The story was written by Jacqueline Wilson. Uh, we have basic knowledge that we should not play with fire, water. Many philosophies believe in the existence of 5 basic elements. What are the 5 basic elements? We'll come to that later. Out of that, two basic elements are fire and water. Don't play with fire and water. Correct? Both are dangerous. It can bring death, it can bring disaster, it can make it into a graveyard, it can make a place into a samshan, it can make anything it can do. It's either a good thing or it can destroy. It can do good, it can cook food for you, it can give you hot water, but at the same time it can burn your house down also. It can burn your hand also. We have guys in our class. Cheetah had burned his hand. Diwali, he was trying to do something, magic or something, he burnt his hand. Who faced the problems? Your parents faced the problems. They had to face your sorrow, your hurt, your pain. They were facing. You were facing the pain. They were facing it more. Because of your carelessness, everyone gets into problem. We have to be careful in life. Sometimes I see some guys have bandaged their hand or something. What happened? Sir, I got hurt. How did you get hurt? Why don't you take care of yourself? I also get hurt. Yes, I do. When I'm not careful. That day I broke my specs. I was not careful. I had kept it on my bed and I was sitting and I just moved my hand and the specs fell, and so in this lockdown my frame is gone. I had to buy Fevistick and stick it. So this is what happening. We have to adjust to everything in life, but be careful from those elements. Two elements I'm telling you, main important is fire and water, and knives. Knives are very dangerous. They can cut onions and they can cut you also, and they can cut people. If the knife is sharp, it can destroy. It can cause harm. So, fire being one of them, for centuries fire has been used in many different ways. It has also been revered for its power to create and destroy. In this section, you will read about how destructive it can be. In Jacqueline Wilson's story, The Bed and Breakfast Star, Elsa and her family have to move out of their lovely house into a bed and breakfast hotel one night. So as I told you, Elsa and her family had to move around. Smackpack was there. He was not a good guy. He used to always punish Elsa. She had a sister and brother, Pippa, and she was the first daughter of her mother, and she was 10 years old. She had dreams to become a comedian. She is older. She is always telling jokes. People don't like her jokes, but she says she's always good at it. Elsa is good at looking after Pippa. Her best friends are Naomi and Funny Face. Pippa is Elsa's younger half sister, who is only 4. Pippa copies around Elsa, always going around. So I'm just telling you, Mac the Smack, that name is also given by Elsa. And they used to go around to places. He didn't have a job, so at last they had to go into a hotel, a bed and breakfast hotel, where the bed and the breakfast star. So at last they go to a star hotel. From bed and breakfast they go into a star hotel. Why they go to a star hotel, we'll come to know. But they go to a royal hotel. It's a broken up type of Twitty Scottish Burg, room number 608 they go into. He's very large and strong, Mac the Smack, but he's into gambling and all, and she doesn't like him. Elsa's mom is always depressed. What is going to happen to her? She is slim, good looking, she has a ponytail. Naomi is Elsa's first friend in the hotel. She loves reading scary vampire books under the guise of the dust jacket of Little Woman. She had been living in the royal for 6 months when Elsa's family arrived. with her mother and young brother. Funny Face is a boy, a character of the famous 5 books, group of hard lads in the hotel. He is quite good boy. He laughs at Elsa's jokes and lives with his mom on the 4th floor. His real name is never mentioned, so she calls him Funny Face. Hank the Hunk is Elsa's baby half brother, who is very large for his age, hence his nickname is Hank the Hunk. Then we have the manager in the hotel. So before the fire starts, let's talk about this. There is a careless manager of the Royal Hotel. He doesn't seem to care about the guests of their well-being, what is happening, what is not happening. The bunny receptionist, she wears fluffy sweaters and flirts with the manager and shares his attitude regarding the guests. Mrs. Hoover Macpherson. These all names are given, the bunny name, Mrs. Hoover, all given by Elsa. The cleaner who doesn't share the manager's and receptionist's attitude to guests and likes Elsa very much. And Pippa, because they help her out with the housework and are polite and chatty. Now Mrs. Hoover is not like the manager and the receptionist. She's good. She likes people. She helps people out there who are staying. She's a cleaner. She likes Elsa and Pippa because they help her out. Simple Simon, a 5-year-old boy who tags along with the famous 5. Now, who is the famous 5? The famous 5, the gang which Elsa hangs out and plays a truant with after she cannot settle in her new school. Who is that 5 gangs? Elsa, then we have Pippa, okay, and then we have Funny Face, that's 3. Then we have Hank the Hunk, 4, and we have what's his name? Simon. They are a gang of 5. The gang which Elsa hangs out and plays truant means that truant is a intentional, unjustified, unauthorized or illegal absence from compulsory education. It's a deliberate absence by a student's own free will and usually does not refer to legitimate excuses absences, such as ones related to medical conditions. To keep students in school, but that too they don't want to stay, they don't go to school. Which after she cannot settle in her new school. Miss Fisher, teacher of the special class in the local primary school, who is mean and not particularly inspiring. That is Miss Fisher of her school. Nikki, Neil and Nathan, Naomi's younger brothers. Naomi is a friend. One of the younger brothers of Naomi is Nikki, Neil and Nathan. Naomi's mom, they all live on the 4th floor. Naomi's mom, who is really good cook and very kind. Next video.